Alliance Française Goethe-Institut was the venue where the Consul Generals of France and Germany shook hands to commemorate the 60th anniversary of the signing of historic Franco-German Élysée Treaty of 1963. Speaking on the occasion, they said,
Freunde,
Chers amis,
dear friends, aujourd'hui, 22 janvier 2023, nous célébrons le 60e anniversaire du traité de l'Élysée entre la France et l'Allemagne.
mit diesem Vertrag haben unsere beiden Länder den Schlussstrich gezogen unter Jahrhunderte währende Feindschaft.
After World War II, France reached out to its former enemy and treated Germany as a partner.
The following 60 years have been the happiest in our two nations' history.
They have shown how two countries formerly hostile to each other can achieve unprecedented friendship and cooperation.
This was neither easy nor natural. It required a great deal of leadership and political wisdom on both sides.
Today, as we celebrate the 60th anniversary of the 1963 Élysée Treaty between France and Germany,
In a place where symbolically the Alliance Française and the Goethe-Institut have come together under the same roof to bring French and German language and culture closer to the people of Karachi
we do believe that this friendship can serve as an example.
and as an inspiration for other nations around the world. Happy birthday
and long live this friendship.
between France and Germany.